Recently, there are a lot of glass skin makeup tutorials on YouTube. In this video, I'm just going to show you guys how to achieve that glass skin with makeup, because previously I talked about my skincare a lot and I didn't really change my skincare products, so I would just talk about the makeup items to create that glass skin effect. So first of all, I'm going to use the YSL Instant Moisture Glow. It's a makeup base, so you are supposed to apply this product at the end of your skincare routine. So I'm just gonna squeeze a generous amount and just dot it all over my face. This is going to even out your skin. You will refine all your pores and create a very smooth base for your makeup application. As you can see, I'm done applying the primer, and it just gives you that instant suppleness. Can you see? Like point. Alright, so after applying this, I am going to apply an eye cream. So I've been using this eye cream a lot recently, and I even talk about it in my previous videos. I use it every night, and I just scoop up a small amount like this, and then I will massage it with my fingers just to warm it up, and then just tap it under your eyes. Be careful not to take too much product, because when you actually take too much product, it won't sink in, like it won't get absorbed into the skin, and you will just feel that greasiness and stickiness around your eyes, and it will cause like those small bumps. So what I like about this eye cream is that it brightens up my under eye, and it kind of like slowly removes the puffiness and the dark circles under my eyes. My dark circles used to look super bad, and I just look like a zombie without concealer and makeup. So I feel like this Bobbi Brown eye cream really does some magic under my eyes. And if you guys are interested, this one is the eye repair cream. It looks like this. Okay, after I'm done with my base, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Skin Radiant Glow Cushion Compact with SPF 50 PA++++. So this is a new product that is sent to me. I haven't even tried it yet. I haven't even opened it yet. So I'm just going to give my first impressions in this video. So because today I want to create that radiant skin effect look, I thought I would try out this Glow Cushion Compact and see whether it really glows or not. It's not like the usual BB cushion kind of design. It comes with this like sponge thingy, like a foam thingy around. And let us just try this out. So the product just comes out from the middle. Oh wow. The shade is so bright. Oh wow! I love how it just creates that instant glow. It definitely brightens up my complexion. Coverage wise, I think it's pretty good actually. I started with some redness around my skin, and now it is significantly reduced. I'm going to apply some on my neck as well, just to even out my skin tone so that I don't look like a fake ass. Okay, so first impression, I'm really loving this cushion. I feel like it has medium coverage, but I really like how it makes my skin look super healthy and glowy. And it also covers up my pores. I don't even need highlighter, oh my god. Really loving this product so far. And let us just move on with concealer. I am first going to use the Bobbi Brown Corrector in Bisque. I talked about this product also in my previous video. So just dab it under your eyes, especially the darker area, you know, to cancel out the darkness. Oh, I feel like I don't even need a lot of corrector now anymore, because the eye cream just helps a lot. After applying the corrector under my eyes, I am going to conceal with the Bobbi Brown Instant Full Cover Concealer. I'm not going to use a lot because I don't think I need a lot to cover my dark circles. So I would just use a bit, like just dot. Okay, just dot. Okay, the key to glass skin actually is not to use too much product. You want to reveal as much as your natural radiance as possible. Wow, I love this cushion. Like the more I look at my skin, the more I love it. To set everything in place, I'm going to use my La Mer powder Not gonna use a lot. Just gonna set some under my eye area. And also my T-zone that tends to have more oil. So we are done with the base. Now we are going to work on the brows. And you guys know that I love my Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade. But today, as I'm going for a natural look, I'm not going to use that product. Instead, I'm going to use the Dior Powder Eyebrow Pencil just to lightly draw my brows. And I'm not going for the eyebrow on flick kind of look today, just because I want that natural fluffy brows. So I'm gonna start working on the ends, just extend it outwards a bit and then just brush it through. Make use of your spoolie and blend everything together. Actually, when I look at all those like Korean skincare commercial, they all have very natural brows. They have those bushy brows which are not really in place, because that just shows how natural the makeup is. I'm going to use the Too Faced Natural Love Makeup Palette. Okay, I'm going to take the shade Honey Butter. Going to focus this on my crease. I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown eyeshadow palette, and this comes with 3 eyeshadows and a gel liner. I'm going to use the shade in the middle called Pink Moon. It's a metallic eyeshadow, and I'm just going to pat it on my lids. The pigment is so amazing. When I see the brush, I thought it has no pigment, so I take a bit too much. Now it just pops out on my lid, and I'm just going to blend it with my fluffy brush. After you have done applying that pink shadow, I'm going to take a darker color, Makeup and Chill from the Too Faced palette. Pop this on the outer corner to create that natural shadow on your outer corners. How you draw your outer corner is that you imagine like you're drawing a V shape. So you just keep drawing it until you feel like the intensity is good enough. And then to avoid the harsh edges, always use a fluffy brush to blend out. Using my fingers, I'm going to take Poodle, this pink shade right here, light pink, and just pop it on my inner corners. Finally, we are going to line our eyes. So I'm using the Bobbi Brown Long Way Waterproof Liner in Black Chocolate. I'm not going to use black liner today because it's a very natural look. So you just use a brown. You guys know how much I love my Muji eyelash color, right? So if you haven't got yourself a Muji eyelash color, you better do it now. My favorite. Okay, now as we finish the eyes, we're going to work on a blush. So for this very natural glass skin makeup, I'm not going to use contour. So instead, I'm just going to use this face blush by 3CE. It's in the shade Rose Beige. As you can see, I work the blush upwards so that my face looks slimmer and more lifted. And if you think the product is too much, always use your sponge and just pat it. I'm going to use a very natural highlighter today. I chose to use this Bobbi Brown Brightening Brick in the shade Naked. It looks like this. So I'm just focusing on the highest points of my face. So as for the lip color, I'm going for the Bobbi Brown Crush Lip Color in the shade Telluride. So guys, this is the final look. Glass skin makeup. Yeah.
제대로 대답해줘